The global healthcare IT space is brimming with new advancements as healthcare information technology has revolutionized patient care and healthcare services across the world. Healthcare IT provides secured sharing of patient information for healthcare providers to better manage the patient care. During COVID times, the use of healthcare IT was felt much more valuable than ever before. At MediCircle, we present the Healthcare IT Manager series. This is because we are discussing the challenges and opportunities that healthcare IT shall bring about to the world post COVID with the eminent IT personnel of healthcare. I'm your host, Smita Kumar, and today the guest for the show is Dipankar Ghosh. Dipankar Ghosh is the IT manager at Rainbow Children's Medicare Private Limited, Delhi NCR. He is an experienced healthcare IT professional with a rich experience over 12 years in the industry. During his past professional experience, he has worked with many healthcare organizations, including Fortis Healthcare and Max Healthcare, etc., along with IT-enabled groups of companies like HCL, Tata, etc., in the initial phase. Hi, Dipankar. Welcome to MediCircle.
Hi, how are you?
I'm great. So, Dipankar, over to you. Like being a healthcare IT manager, what are the challenges you face while working?
There is a lot of challenge if we talk about for a healthcare IT manager, but challenge is just a learning. What I say, the challenge. If we work with the healthcare, there is a medical team, there is a technology team, there is a contradiction between medical and technology team from the beginning. Whatever we bring as a new enable technology, it's something new for the end user as well. To implement that, end users should be very much helpful for coordinating and for implementing that thing. Implementation is major task, and that's the major challenge for us. Otherwise, everything is easy for us. The world is running with the digital platform and everything, and it's very much helpful that people are coordinating. Even the doctors are very much familiar. Doctors are basically using that tool for video consultation or appointment booking or EMR, everything in a global way, as well as with our healthcare hospital, that's Rainbow Children's Medical Private Limited.
Definitely. So, Dipankar, digitalization is the new mantra today. As IT, it has been a shift from luxury to necessity. Which basic steps of IT, according to you, are required when it comes to healthcare?
If we talk about the healthcare industry, actually, initially, what we learned from the childhood that it's a hospital, but hospital came to the healthcare because in healthcare, the technology-driven thing is being enabled. If we say we are giving a report to the patient, it is a digitalized form. We work with a paperless type of thing. We build EMR, okay, and we have to track whether the data are captured properly because their data are very much sensitive. That is a major part for us.
Yeah, even lot of HIPAA compliance and other things needs to be, implemented because the patient information needs to be, transferred in a very secure way. So, Dipankar, how
Yes.
have things changed from everything being physical to now going digital? Because COVID has turned, the entire sphere, and it is majorly the healthcare sector which has been affected. Like we have been seeing online consultations and digitalizations of the EMR. So, what is your view on that?
My view is very much simple, Smita. Actually, at present scenario, due to COVID outbreak, it is a first outbreak where everything was locked down. Only the healthcare and some other facilities were opened up.
Yes.
But the peoples were not around. There were no any patient visits or apart from emergency thing. Even the surgeries were stopped. Doctors were sitting. They they think that they thought that might be IT can help. IT can bring some technology everywhere. If we talk about our hospital and if we talk about globally, where everywhere in the India or anywhere in the world. So it came to us as a blessing that they want to get that thing enable as a technology type of thing. So we have enabled many things. We have worked with the paperless EMR. that has helped us because see, initially doctors were very much familiar while writing on a paper and pen because everybody as a child, if I talk, I'm a child, then I basically used paper and pencil initially for writing everything. But same comes to doctor. Doctors are a medical person. They are a god for a healthcare industry. Now if we provide them pen and pencil, they feel very easy to write a prescription. But if we make them practice of the technology driven thing by like EMR, it is very much helpful that we can track, we can analyze this, we can see what are the necessities for the treatment. Whenever person comes later, we can give the data. That helped us and that helped them to use that technology driven thing. We have enabled online video conferencing. That is a major task which we had to work all around during the COVID outbreak. And that's why doctor was also very much familiar because they were getting the patient through the visual platform and virtual platform. They can interact with them. They can get the information. Patient are also very happy. See, if we see about the costing part is also main important part on this video conferencing tool. During the video conferencing tool, there are different technology were enabled. Like for example, Zoom, GoToWebinar. I don't want to promote them, but they are the thing which came into action. Okay, Microsoft Team is also one of the part. So we use that technology. We use some of that technology. We have to take the license and we have to train the user. We have to train sensitively through the digital platform, not going and meeting to them. But with the doctor interaction was very much important because doctor are the basic part for this interaction on this EMR and everything. So that was a challenge, and that helped us because the team helped us to implement it, and it went well. That's all for me for this part.
So, as Dipankar, we have at past spoken about healthcare, the IT, the disruptions happening in the Indian healthcare ecosystem. One last question on your personal journey. So, how has your journey been as an IT person?
See, if we talk about one kahavat is that in Hindi, "Ghare ghare se pani bharta hai," something like that. Same began. I began my career with very small technical support.
Yes, there's a proverb.
Yeah. Then see, I started with my career with some technical support. I learned from the scratch. I know what's at the baseline. Then I came to the top line. See, in business point of view, you see the bottom line, you see the top line, and then you take your company to the next level. That what I learned. Then it came one by one with the Fortis Healthcare Group, with the Max, with some other healthcare industry also like Paras, and then now I'm with the Rainbow. I learned different things, different technology. HIS is the very important and new thing for me as a IT person because the hospital information system is a different driven technology. What I have learned during my study, okay, and medical devices, interaction with them, flowing of modality data like X-ray, CT, everything, images will be coming, storing in the data. Yes, but the major thing is I got in my career phase was the breakdown due to some virus attack in some phase of my career where we took our time to make one hospital enable due to that breakdown. That was one of my major challenges during the start of my career, and then I learned it. There were audit, NABH, and different learning. It's a different altogether different learning for me. Initially, I started with I'm a developer. I was a Microsoft developer. Okay, I developed different applications. I know the way how the things are prepared, how the user analyzes that thing, how to understand the user technology. Then I came to now as a IT manager. I know what are the requirements. I should understand. We should know the requirement. On basis of that, we can implement it. That is a major factor. One example I want to give you. During my career phase, in mid of my career, I met one of my doctor of Max. I don't want to name her. She's a so sweet lady. Uh, I stood outside her gate for 1 hour. I thought that I have to guide her something on some technology thing. She
Okay.
did not allow. She told that I don't want to learn. I told okay, ma'am, but I want to wait. I want to give you some knowledge. Then I went her, I met her, I took only a 10 minutes. I gave her a brief like how your life will be changing on using the such technology for your particular clinic. She used that tool. Now she is basically using that tool.
That's great.
She was so happy. She told that you should be in the marketing field. My interest is in the IT. I'm not a marketing guy. Yeah, marketing guy is also a part of that. But again, it's a learning. Somebody gives some feedback on me. That's a positive thing for us.
That's great.
Yeah.
That's great. So thank you so much, Deepanka, for joining us here for the top IT managers of the healthcare ecosystem. I mean, we all believe that IT managers play a very important role in this. I mean, shaping up the care delivery processes for the patients, because patient is at the center of this continuum of care circle, and you guys are actually ensuring that the care is provided and the patient is benefited from all the IT disruptions, whatever is happening here in the industry. So once again, thanks for joining and giving us time.
Thank you, Smita. It's nice talking with you in this time like COVID outbreak and everything. And we as a IT manager, we are very proud to be a part of this technology-driven team. Thank you so much.